Hey Tuck followers, Keith here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Brentwood Home Oceano Mattress. This is a luxury hybrid mattress. It's tufted, it's got all the bells and whistles you would expect in a more luxury bed. But how does it stack up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. Our mattress testing team today includes lightweight sleeper Rachel, average weight sleeper Zach, and heavyweight sleeper Alandris. To unbox the Oceano, grab a friend and move the box to its intended destination. Remove the roll-packed mattress from the cardboard box and unwrap. Give it about 24 to 48 hours to fully recover. The Oceano is a 14.5-inch hybrid mattress. The cover is made from a stretch knit Tencel lyocell. The comfort layers consist of New Zealand wool, on top of 2 inches of 4 PCF gel memory foam, on top of 2.5 inches of pocketed mini coils. The support core consists of 2 inches of 1.8 PCF high density polyfoam, on top of 8 inches of individually pocketed coils. The Oceano comes in at about a 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The Oceano is a true hybrid mattress, so you're gonna get the best of both worlds, conforming yet responsive, and you're gonna feel a mix of sleeping in and on the bed. To gauge support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. All 3 of our sleepers received adequate support from the Oceano. We did find that our light and average weight sleepers received more support than our heavyweight sleeper. To illustrate motion isolation, we put a water glass on one side of the bed and have our heavyweight sleeper Alandris move around the opposite side. As you can see, Alandris is moving around and pushing pretty hard, and that water glass barely moves. We found that motion isolation transferred as well when our sleepers tested the mattress out, and it really did isolate motion well. Edge support refers to how much a mattress pushes back or holds a sleeper up when sitting on and sleeping close to the edge. All 3 of our sleepers felt very well supported when sitting on and sleeping close to the edge of the bed. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell just how much pressure the Oceano can relieve from a sleeper's body. Looking at the readings, all 3 of our sleepers had above average pressure relief from this mattress. That said, our average weight sleeper received more pressure relief than our light and heavyweight sleepers. You can see that by the pressure on the shoulders and hips of our lightweight sleeper and the shoulders of our heavyweight sleeper. Looking at temperature neutrality, the Oceano does a good job of keeping sleepers temperature neutral throughout the night. Because of the mix of layers, the mini coils, and the pocketed coil support core, there's ample room for airflow. It does trap less body heat than other hybrids out there. Now, let's check in with our sleepers. Rachel, what did you think of the Oceano?
I liked it. I think it was a good overall mattress. I didn't feel like I was being swallowed by the bed. I felt like I could move around.
I'm a fan. I'm probably gonna be dreaming about this mattress tonight, to be honest. I am satisfied. Matter of fact, I'm very satisfied. Getting in and out of the bed was a breeze. My knees, that is very important.
Side, back, or stomach, which felt most comfortable to you?
Actually my back, and I'm a side sleeper, so I was really impressed by how supported I felt.
Either side or back, and I'm not a back sleeper, but I might be able to pull it off with this bed.
I'm a back sleeper, and this was like a perfect firmness level.
What about sleeping close to the edge? Did you feel supported?
Yeah, I mean, fairly supported. I didn't feel like I was gonna roll off.
How about sitting on the edge of the bed? Did you feel like, right now, do you feel like you're held up pretty well?
Yeah, I think it has a good level of support.
I thought it was pretty good, actually. I felt like I was pretty flat on the edge or in the center. I didn't see a very big difference then.
But you did feel supported on the edge.
Absolutely, from edge to edge. No complaints at all.
And what about temperature neutrality? Did you feel like the mattress heated up over the course of the night, or did it sleep fairly temperature neutral?
I thought it was pretty temperature neutral, which was a little bit surprising just by how plush it looks.
Stay cool. I think that wool and that top layer really is working.
How was the motion isolation on the bed?
It was pretty good. It was very minimal.
Yeah, I didn't feel a lot of motion there, so yeah, I thought it did a really good job.
Very impressive, very impressive. I didn't even have to watch the glass when I was rolling around on it. I could just tell it was gonna stay.
I could fall asleep pretty easily on this thing.
Well, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Now let's take a look at how the Brentwood Home Oceano stacked up in our mattress tests. This mattress has a hybrid feel, so it's responsive and conforming and gives sleepers a good mix of sleeping in and on a mattress. Support was very good for light and average weight sleepers and good for heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation and edge support were very good. Pressure relief was very good for light and heavyweight sleepers and excellent for average weight sleepers. Lastly, temperature neutrality was very good. Here are a few takeaways based on our mattress testing. The Oceano comes in one firmness. If you know that you want a particularly soft or particularly firm bed, you're gonna probably need to look elsewhere. This mattress is not super conforming, so if you have pressure points and you're a side sleeper, you might need to look elsewhere. The Oceano is a tall bed. It comes in at 14.5 inches. So if you want a lower profile mattress, you'll need to look elsewhere. Here are a few recommendations based on our mattress testing. Back and stomach sleepers will appreciate the firmness offered by this mattress. We found that this mattress stayed quite temperature neutral throughout the night, so hot sleepers will really appreciate the Oceano. Couples will really appreciate the strong edge support and motion isolation offered by the Oceano. Especially if you have a hard time getting in and out of bed, the height on this mattress and the edge support are going to be key. Here's some additional information you'll want to know before purchasing the Oceano mattress. It comes with a 120-night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a 25-year limited warranty. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check the description below the video or visit the full written review at tuck.com. Thanks for watching our Brentwood Home Oceano mattress review. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Don't forget to check us out on social. We're on Facebook, Twitter. We're always doing great giveaways and keeping you up to date on the latest sleep news. Sleep well.